Hello, beautiful souls. How are you guys doing? This is Sheetal Sapin Matre. I hope you are doing beautiful and you're having an absolutely wonderful time. So, today's picker card reading, we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. We are going to use angel cards and tarot cards. So, these are your three options. Option number one is this beautiful green fluorite. All right. Option number two is this selenite crystal. Option number three is this pyramid with Gomati Chakra and Sri Yantra. Alright, so one method to see which pile is the most apt for you is the paper method. You take three pieces of paper, write on the piece of paper 1, 2, and 3. Just say, Dear God, Goddess, and Archangels, which pile is applicable to me, or you can say, Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how is my coming week going to be, and pick up one particular piece of paper. So whatever number comes on that piece of paper, that will be your pile. Or if you had to choose, okay, any one of this item which you could take home, which particular item would you pick up, or an object that you would pick up? So think about it, and accordingly you can select a pile. All right, so breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, relax, completely relax. Just think to yourself, Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how my coming week is going to be. Open your eyes and see which pile or which object is calling you. Alright, so now let's get started. Hello group 1, how are you guys doing? So let's see how your coming week is going to be. So you have chosen this beautiful green fluorite, which means the week ahead is going to bring in a lot of clarity and healing. Alright, so let me keep your crystal over here and let's see what your cards are telling us. So we'll start. Yeah, but before we begin, I want to thank Jyoti Bhatt for gifting me this beautiful messages from the Angels deck. I'm so grateful to you, Jyoti. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, one card just decided to come up. Let's see how your health is going to be. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Let's see what changes are going to come your way. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. You're going to get some message, guys, a very important message. I also feel that some of you may travel. I know the pandemic is on, but I do hear that. All right, let's see your finances. Let's see blessings coming your way. All right, and let's see your tarot cards. So I have this small tarot deck of Hanson and Roberts. All right, I thought this small deck would be so much fun. So let's see group 1's week ahead. right. Let me remove a stand to keep the cards. Okay, group 1. Let's keep your cards, angel and oracle cards. Over here, we'll have a look at them in some time. Okay, first let's see your tarot cards. Okay, let's see them one by one. Alright, this cutie cards. The first card that you have got is Page of Pentacles. So guys, in the week ahead, there is going to be a lot of learning happening. There is going to be news regarding education, scholarship. Also, there may be some news regarding some sort of course or learning that you want to do. So expect some message regarding career as well in the week ahead. Also, you are going to be extremely grateful for all the blessings that the divine has bestowed on you. Some of you may even practice gratitude exercises is what I'm getting from this card. Let's see your next card. Wow, the sun. This is so beautiful. So the week ahead is going to be full of happiness, joy. There is going to be so much of celebration. Kids are going to be your focus. If you have children, they're going to bring in a lot of joy and happiness in your life. Also, this card is telling the ones, some of the ones who are planning for a family, there can be some good news in either their or extended family. There is going to be so much of sunshine, brightness and happiness coming in your life in the week ahead, guys. Lovely. Let's see. Oh my God. Pile 1, you're going to have a wonderful week ahead. The next card that you have got is Judgment. So communication is going to be of utmost importance in the week ahead. You are going to review your life. You're going to see what has happened and how what you could have done differently. So you're going to review your life and you're going to see what important lessons you can learn from your life. But yes, the week ahead is going to be full of divine connect, communication, reaching out to more people. Also, with this card, with the Judgment card, I feel some of you are going to do some sort of ancestral rituals. Also, I feel that, with this card, that you are going to forgive someone. All right, and that forgiveness is going to help you to be free. Also, in certain cases, I feel that some of you may even ask for forgiveness. All right, so now let's see the blessings coming your way in the week ahead. A blessing on a battle that cannot be avoided. So yes, some of you are going to get into some sort of conflict with someone in the week ahead, but you are going to have an advantage in this conflict. Okay, you are going to be someone who is going to have the last word in this battle. All right. Okay, so let's see the next card. Finances. So yes, you are going to focus on your priorities. You're going to sit down and plan your finances. You're going to see what expenses you can avoid. Some of you are going to do investments in certain projects or wherever you feel is going to help you. So yes, you are going to segregate your finances. You're going to plan your finances and you're going to focus on what is important to you. All right, in the week ahead, especially with regards to your finances. Now let's see what your next, how you need to nurture yourself. Sweet treats. So at times it's okay to have something that you absolutely love to eat. Okay, but whenever you do that, eat guilt-free. All right, so treat yourself to something really sweet because you deserve it. All right, you completely deserve it. Especially after this battle, you really need that that break. All right, let's see what changes are going to come in your life in the week ahead. Forgiveness. Oh my God, I really love when the cards are so much in sync with each other. With the Judgment card, I did tell you that some of you are going to forgive others and see forgiveness is going to be of importance, and maybe that is going to be a conflict in your mind, that whether you should really forgive the person or not, or whether you should kind of not let go. But understand, forgiveness does not mean that you have to communicate with the person who has hurt you. It simply means that you are not letting this person hold any energetic, hold on you, which means basically that, suppose, if you just free yourself from this particular person's thoughts, what they did to you, how they hurt you. So you just let go of this person. You're just neutral to this person. You don't give any sort of energy to this person, but in your heart and mind, you're like, you know what, even though what you did to me is not okay, I choose to forgive you, and I bless you with divine wisdom. All right, so you can say that. Now let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender to the beauty of the natural world. And not surprising, you got the Sun card. All right, so here this card is asking you to, because of this pandemic, so many of us have been within our homes. We all have gone through lockdown, and we realized, all of us, that how we used to take fresh air, freedom for granted, and this pandemic has definitely taught us this important lesson that, nature and freedom is so important and beautiful, and we need to be grateful for that. So maybe that's what the Page of Pentacles is telling you. So you need to just, spend some time, go for a walk in a garden if your country allows you, because of the lockdown and there are no restrictions on you going out. So go out and just be grateful for the nature, for the freedom that we all are having right now. Okay, we all are having freedom, guys. Yes, we are, many of us are in lockdown, but still there is freedom. Okay, let's see what the cards are talking regarding your health. Improving health. Wow. So definitely expect some good news regarding health. And as I always say, this card does not mean that you can ignore your doctor's advice. Please listen to your doctor's advice. Go and check if you have any complaints. Go and check with the doctor. But this is a very good card to receive with regards to your health. Yes, your health is going to definitely become better in the week ahead. So take proper action for the same. All right, and let's see last card of yours. Wow. So you need to pay attention to what you want right now. Okay, you need to focus on whatever it is that you desire, and just don't give energy to any negativity. Okay, just focus on what you want and keep on visualizing how you can get it. So block out any negativity and just focus on positivity. So the week ahead looks very good to me. You are going to really have a great time with the Sun card, with the Judgment card, and improving health also you got. The only thing that I feel that you need to take care of is that yes, there is going to be a conflict. However, you need to kind of understand that even though you have an edge on this conflict, ensure that you forgive and you forget and you move on. All right, guys. So group 1, this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing absolutely fine and you're wonderful. So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful selenite crystal, definitely this particular week expect protection coming your way from the divine. There is going to be divine connect that you are going to experience, and you're going to feel so connected with your intuition, with the angels. And I feel that you are somebody who really believes a lot in angels. All right, so let's start with your angel and tarot cards regarding how this week is going to be. So before I start the reading, I want to thank Jyoti Bhatt for gifting this beautiful deck to me. Thank you so much, Jyoti. All right, so let's begin. Okay. Let's see. Message regarding your health. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. What changes are going to come your way? How you need to take care of yourself in the week ahead. Your finances. Blessings coming your way. And this is my cute little deck. Alright, the ones who want to know which deck it is. Let's see what the tarot cards are saying. Okay, so let me keep your cards over here. Alrighty, so now let's see one by one your tarot cards. Let's check your first card. Okay, the Four of Pentacles. So yes guys, in the week ahead, you may feel like controlling everything. You may feel like controlling your finances, controlling people. So please ensure that you are not controlling people to an extent wherein they are feeling suffocated. All right, it's good to be wise with finances, but at the same time you need to spend where you need to spend. Okay, so this particular card is asking you to ensure that you go with the flow and you are not too controlling. But yes, this card also means that abundance is going to be there in the week ahead. The next card is Five of Cups. So there could be some sort of emotional loss that you may feel. It may so happen that you are going to be so much in control of your finances and things around that somebody may feel like loss, or somebody may feel very disappointed, or you may yourself disappoint your own self, because you may be denying something that you really deserve. So ensure that you are not denying yourself what you should get or what you really deserve. All right, let's see your next card. You got the Hierophant card. So in the next week, you are going to spend time learning, teaching. You're also going to spend time doing some traditional rituals. There would be somebody who will be highly wise and respected, and this person may give you a very good advice. So listen to this person. Also, the week ahead will be of tradition. All right, so this is what I am getting from your cards. All right, so I feel that in the beginning of the week you may be a little bit controlling of things. All right, and because of which you may suffer some sort of disappointment, or there may be a disappointment in general. However, you will pray to the divine, you will listen to somebody who is wise and come out of this. So you're going to learn that it's not always good to be so controlling. So rather than going through this entire process, it would be better if you're alert before the week begins and you do not act so controlling. All right, but yes, a lot of learning, a lot of education, tradition, investments as well. Some of you are going to invest. Okay, so let's see what blessings are coming your way. Okay, a blessing to shield and safeguard you. So all those of you who got worried when you saw the 5 of cups, wondering, oh my god, what kind of disappointment I'm going to face, understand that over here there are 2 cups. Even if the 3 cups have been spilled, there are 2 cups which are still upright. Okay, and the divine is protecting and shielding you. See, you can clearly see the Hierophant card. Okay, so you are safe, you are protected. There is absolutely nothing that you need to worry about. All right, let's see your finances. Visualize abundance in all forms. So the week ahead, it's important that you just don't keep on worrying and wondering what if the money goes away. Okay, so when you're trying to be such a control freak with money, you're also visualizing that it's not going to be in abundance. All right, so you see, this card means you want to say savings are important, but if you're going to save with the mindset that, oh my god, what if I lose everything one day, that's not an abundant mindset to save money. So visualize abundance in all forms if you want to attract more of it. All right, okay, let's see how you need to nurture yourself in the week ahead. Alone time. So in the week ahead, ensure that you are spending some time all by yourself, and you're getting in touch with your inner wisdom. So it will be a good idea just to sit calmly. Maybe you can just play some nature sound on your YouTube channel, or maybe you actually go in nature. Just be calm, just take a pen and paper and just write down whatever is coming to you, so that you are in touch with your inner wisdom, because that's going to really advise amazing things to you. Let's see what changes are going to come your way. Family changes. Interesting. I don't know why am I feeling that some of you are going to ask an elderly person for some support which they are going to deny. However, that support may come via some uncle or some other family member. But yes, family changes mean expect some sort of addition in your family via birth or marriage. This could be your own family or extended family, or there may be some sort of changes happening in the family dynamics. It may so happen that the family may be more open to listen to each other and more forgiving towards each other. So yes, there are going to be changes in the family mindset, or addition in the family. Let's see what you need to surrender. You need to surrender defensiveness. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so here the person is trying to hold on to the money because he wants to defend his prosperity. All right, so over here this card is telling you that you're any which way, this card is telling you that you are protected and you are safe. So there is no need for you to be defensive about anything. Okay, just understand that communicate whatever you feel in an assertive manner without really becoming aggressive or submissive. Just communicate. If you feel that something is not right, just say it in a very assertive manner without really getting offended. All right, let's see your health. Oh my god, even group 1 got this card. Now somebody once had wrote in the comment section, it is I keep on getting the same cards because I did not shuffle enough. Well, you did see that I did shuffle, and even if I assuming that I would have not shuffled properly, out of 44 cards, what is the probability of me picking the same card? Okay, because I pick up from anywhere. I pick up from top, bottom, middle. All right, so this particular card is telling you, as well as group 1, that yes, health is going to improve, but that does not mean that you ignore the doctor's advice or cancel the doctor's appointment. Please see the doctor, take his or her. Sorry guys, the camera just went off because of the storage was full, and your card is over here. So this particular card is telling that the next week prosperity is going to be amazing. You need to listen to your inner wisdom, because a lot of ideas are going to come in your through your inner wisdom, which is going to really help you to have more finances and increase in inflow of money. That is why the angels want you to spend some alone time, because they want you to connect with you through your inner wisdom. All right, so this is your week ahead, guys. It looks beautiful. Yes, you need to just ensure that you are not being defensive. That is something you need to take care of, and listen to your inner wisdom. This is two advice which you really need to follow in the week ahead. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's reading. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and absolutely rocking. So you have chosen this beautiful pyramid with Sri Yantra and Gomati Chakra. So it's quite clear that you believe, or you have this connect with Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Narayan. And this week they are going to bless you with abundance, and things are going to move ahead in your life. All right, so before we begin, let me tell you, today we are going to do your angel cards and tarot cards. All right, so let's start with your angel cards. I want to thank Jyoti Bhatt for gifting this beautiful deck to me. Thank you, Jyoti, so much. So let's start your cards. Okay. Let's see how your health is going to be. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Let's see what changes you need to bring. What changes are going to come in the week ahead for you? Let's see how you need to nurture yourself in the week ahead. Right, let's see your finances. Let's see what blessings are going to come your way. Since I said R, let me pick up 2 cards. Okay. And then we are going to see your tarot card. So this is such a cute tarot card. This is the Hanson and Roberts tarot deck. All right, so let's see what your cards are telling us. Okay. Lots of confusion. Some dilemma that you guys are undergoing. Okay, so let's keep your cards on this stand and let's see the cards one by one. Okay. The King of Swords. All right. So in the week ahead, you will have to have a very practical approach to handle things. Use your intellect and not your emotions. Do not do not go on an emotional ride. Whatever situation you are in, see what is the most practical way out of it. There is going to be a wise man who is going to help you out with whatever this is that you need assistance with. Also, it may so happen that if you have a boss who is a little bit difficult, ensure that you keep all the data ready. Check your emails before sending to your boss. That's your next card. Oh wow, you got the Sun card. So the week ahead is going to be full of happiness, success, victory. You are going to spend good quality time with children. If you're planning to have children, extending your family, then you will take some constructive steps towards it. There could be some sort of good news coming your way. You will be full of energy in the week ahead. Let's see your next card. Seven of Pentacles. So yes, in the week ahead, there would be something which will need you to be more patient. All right, you are going to put in a lot of efforts on on a project, and the project's fruit will come later on. All right, so when I look at these three cards, what I am getting is that there is going to be a man who is going to help you. All right, and once you take his help, you are going to feel very happy and victorious. Okay, so this is what I am getting from your cards. So be open to receiving help. Also be patient. All right, whatever the heaven is working behind the scenes, even if you're not able to see all the hard work that the divine is doing right now to help you out in a situation, be rest assured that the divine is doing something on it. It's just not sitting on your dreams. Okay, but at the same time, even you need to take action. So be patient, things are going to get really better for you. Let's see the blessings that you are going to receive in the week ahead. You got blessing of the air, and you did get the sword as well. So sword is an air element. So over here, blessing of the air means a lot of ideas coming to you, inspirations coming to you. Or at the same time, blessing of the air also means communication, some sort of message you will receive, or communication. You will be communicating very clearly and effectively in the week ahead, guys. All right, let's see your next card. A blessing for a fresh start. So definitely whatever was old and worn out, okay, is going to get out of your life, and you're going to start new. So yes, there is going to be something which needs to end for fresh things to start. All right, so definitely a lot of new things happening in the week ahead, and not surprisingly with the Sun card, that's definitely going to happen. Let's see what your finances are telling us. Do the work. So the Seven of Pentacles and do the work card. All right, so in Seven of Pentacles, the card is all about giving your best and waiting, being patient, okay, for the fruits to come. All right, so in order to increase your income flow, you have to take action. I do at times come across individuals who are like, Sheetal, I'm praying, I'm doing all the rituals, I'm also taking action, but still I don't see anything happening. Well, if you're taking action and still you're not seeing any results out of it, that means you're taking action in the wrong direction. So you need to sit back, evaluate, contemplate where exactly you are going wrong, and accordingly choose a new direction. All right, so to increase your finances, you need to do the work, you need to take action. Now let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Okay, make a meal. All right, now at times when we make something special for ourselves or for others, it really helps. One of my favorite hobbies is cooking. I cook when I'm really very stressed, because that takes my mind off everything, and I really enjoy cooking different kind of food and meals for my family. So if so invest your time in making a really amazing meal. It may be your favorite meal, but do that. All right, that will really relax you. Or you can also watch YouTube videos on cooking or baking. All right, let's see what changes are going to happen in the week ahead. Courage. So you are going to feel more strong. You will be like, there will be so much of inner strength that you are going to experience, and this inner strength is going to help you to take action to overcome whatever obstacles that you are facing right now. All right, let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Surrender stress. So I feel that group 3, you have been really praying for something. It could be a child, it could be a project, it could be a marriage. You have been praying for something. You have been really waiting for something to happen. And all this wait is creating a lot of stress in your life. So this card is asking you to let go of this stress and enjoy the blessings that life has to offer you. All right, so let go of this stress. See, stress does not lead to any solutions. It only leads to more and more health issues. All right, so please let go of stress. All right, let's see what your health card is telling us. Expect a miracle. So this week everybody's health looks really very wonderful. So this card is telling you that yes, your health is going to improve. You can expect a miracle. There is going to be something very good happening to you with regards to your health. Please ensure, guys, even if the card is positive, if you're not feeling all right, go and check a doctor, continue your medication, continue whatever consultation you are doing. This is just a guidance. So yes, you need to expect miracles where it comes to your health. Believe that your health is going to improve. Let's see what your next card is telling us. Oh wow, so in the beginning of the session, since you chose this pyramid, I told that abundance is going to come to you. And look at this card. I am the angel of abundance. You will receive the money that you need, and God is in charge of how that will happen. Have faith. See, that is the concern, okay, which I feel most of us humans have. We're always wondering how a particular thing is going to show up, how our wish is going to come to fruition. You know what? I always tell everyone, pray, take action, and let go. The moment you let go, you are leading the entire energies into a very fast momentum. All right, and the moment the energies are into a fast momentum, things will come to fruition really, really quickly. That is why it is very important that you just let go, and let go of the how part of it. All right, once you have prayed, take action. Also, it's very important that we have a right attitude. If we have an attitude of arrogance, of ignorance, if you are very mean to other people, if you are hurting others, then no matter how much you pray, no matter how much action you take, there's always going to be something that is going to pull you back, because whatever you give to the universe comes back to you multiplied. All right, group 3, I think you're going to have a wonderful week ahead, full of abundance, courage. You're going miracles in health, blessing of air, that is communication, a fresh start, and you're also going to take action. So your week looks wonderful, guys. I hope you enjoyed this pick a card reading that I've done specially for you. So take care, guys. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful week ahead. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Lots of miracles your way. Take care.